important things to know about sex. Hey there, welcome back to my channel. Happy to have you here again, and thank you for always being there to learn different topics with us. Today we're going to talk through a topic that is very important and often confusing, especially for teenagers like you, but frequently not discussed enough, or sometimes never talked through at all because it is considered to be a taboo topic, which is sex. As a teenager, your mind is probably loaded with many questions about it, which is normal. I am not sure I could go through all of them in one video, but I will try my best to clear some clouds. Our goal is to provide you with accurate information in a safe and respectful environment, so you can make informed decisions about your sexual health. Regardless, you're interested in exploring your sexuality or just want to learn more, this video is for you. Without further ado, let's plunge in. Many of you might know what is sex already at an early age, right? As I know, every human being are obsessed with that particular topic, even though most of us are ashamed to talk over it. What is sex, though? Most people think that sex is just intercourse, penetration, or penis into vagina. I'm afraid it is more than that. Formally, sex is a long process from making love to penetration. For instance, when the thrusting of the penis is inside the vagina. However, everything that makes us feel aroused is sex, such as masturbation, foreplay, kissing, hugging, cuddling, using sex toys, anal sex, oral sex, frottage, touching, manual sex, etc. In my opinion, sex meaning is all intercourse and outer course that involve two people who give each other the pleasure that comes from having an orgasm. Why do we do sex? As I mentioned in the previous video, puberty. Make sure to check it out if you have not already. Through puberty, hormones affect your body and emotions. You become very curious about sex. You start having more sexual thoughts and urges, and you more likely start finding some people attractive to you. So eventually, you will want to have sex unexpectedly. Be aware that your brain wants you to have sex as well to keep itself healthier. Despite that sex is a life necessity, sometimes it comes with a price, just like many other things in life. It could ruin or enrich your life. There are important things to know before starting your sexuality pathway, so bear with me to learn. What are the most important things to know about sex? First, consent before engaging in any sexual activity. Consent is crucial and should always be sought before engaging in any sexual activity. Consent means that all parties involved are enthusiastic and verbally agree to participate. It is important to remember that silence does not mean consent. If you are hesitant or say no, it's important to make sure your partner respects your decision. Remember, consent should be enthusiastic, ongoing, and can be withdrawn at any time. Consent must be given for each specific act, even if consent was given before. Second, safe sex. Imagine yourself very stressed and concerned not to get infected or be pregnant early after getting all the most wonderful moments in your life. That would be awful. It's important to protect yourself from sexually transmitted infections or unwanted pregnancy by using condoms and getting regular STI screenings, CTDs, like bacterial vaginosis, chlamydia, gonorrhea, hepatitis, herpes, HIV, or human papillomavirus, mycoplasma genitalium, etc. Practicing safe sex by using condoms or dental dams can reduce the risk of STI transmission. It is important to use a new condom with each new partner. Don't ever put yourself in a life-threatening situation. Third, birth control. You are young and inexperienced on that matter. Please do not get involved in sexual activity without protecting yourself from getting pregnant. That could happen easily. If you don't have any idea when ovulation occurs, you could end up doing something that you might get yourself into trouble later on. If you are sexually active and want to prevent pregnancy, using birth control is important. There are many different types of birth control available, such as the pill, IUD, or condoms. It's important to discuss with your healthcare provider which option is best for you. Fourth, clear communication. Sex can be a positive and pleasurable experience. It's important to explore what makes you feel good and what makes you feel comfortable. It is important to discuss your expectations, desires, and boundaries with your partner. Each of you should also be willing to listen to each other's needs and respect each other's boundaries. Clear communication can help prevent misunderstandings, improve sexual satisfaction, mutual respect, and consent within relationships. Remember, sexual pleasure comes in many forms and there is no right or wrong way to experience it. And there you have it. Some important things to know about sex. Remember, this video is just a starting point. Be curious, keep learning, and seek reliable resources for accurate information about sexual health. Never let anyone force you to that path if you are not ready. Always put in mind that consent, safe sex, birth control, and clear communication are key to having a positive and enjoyable sexual experience. Don't be ashamed if you have any questions, concerns, or want to share your experiences. Feel free to leave them in the comments below, and it will be my pleasure to help you out. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more informative content. Stay safe, and I'll see you in the next video.